Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, children, in last class, what did we study? We were studying about chapter 1 different kinds of plants. Yeah? Yes. In this, what did we see? Yeah, we saw about the trees and shrubs, right? Yeah, what are trees? Trees are tall, big, and strong plants. Yes, they are very tall and they are very strong. They stand without any support, right? Yeah, they have many branches. Yes, some branches will be grown from the trunk itself. What are trunks? Have you seen the trunk? Yeah, in last video I have explained everything. Yeah, just watch that and get clarified. Okay, children? Yes, I hope you all searched different types of trees. You have searched the names of the different types of trees. Yeah, I'll be asking it, children. Be ready with the answers. And also, we were studying about shrubs. Yes? What are shrubs? Plants smaller than the trees are called shrubs. Yeah? Plants which are smaller than the trees are called shrubs. The best example is hibiscus. In last video, I have shown it. The hibiscus plant, how it will be. Yeah, it will be short, but um, not too much small, but shorter than the tree. Yeah, it will be not so big as a tree, but it will be smaller compared to the tree. It will be small. Yes, children, today we'll go to the next topic. What is that? Herbs. Yeah, next subtopic is herbs. What are herbs? Very small plants are called herbs. Yes, what are herbs? Very small plants. Yeah. Look in this picture. What do you see in this picture, children? Yes, there is a grass, right? Yeah, grass are also small plant. Okay, you have seen the grass. Yeah, in parks and all, there will be grass on the ground. Yeah, to sit upon that, they will put a grass on the ground. It will be soft, right? Yeah, they have very soft stem. Okay, once you just touch the grass and see how soft it will be. It won't harm us, right? Yes. They are also very weak. If you pull the grass, it comes in our hand itself. Yes or no? Yeah. Have you ever pulled the grass? Should not pull, children. Okay? Okay. Next. The next example here, see. This is also a grass, but it is called as a lemon grass. This is also a herb. It's also a herb. Okay? We put the lemongrass in the tea. We'll make the tea, right? Yeah, in the tea, we put the some amount of leaf in the tea means it tastes very nice. Yeah, this is herb. Okay. Next, what is this? Yes, it's an coriander leaf. Yeah, it's an coriander plant. What are coriander plant, children? Yeah, we use that for cooking, right? Yeah, very good. We use that for cooking. Ask your mother to show it. Yeah, she will show you what are coriander leaf. In real, you can see the coriander leaf or a plant. Okay, just you ask your mom. She will show you. Okay, children. Look here also you can see. See how small it is. And also look at the stem. Yeah, it's so weak, right? Yeah, it's so weak. We can break it with our hands itself. Yes, children? Yeah, and the leaf are also so soft. Yeah, herbs are very small plants and they have soft stem. As I said, they are very small. Look at the size. It's so small, right? And look at the stem. Look here. These all are stems, right? Yeah. It is also so weak. Yeah. Yes, and also so soft, not hard as a tree. The tree stem are very hard. It will be in brown color, right? Yeah, but the herbs stem are too soft. Yes. Next. So children, what you have to do is, your homework is, you have to search some more herb plants, okay? With the help of your parents, sit for some time and search, do a research on the herbs. You will get many herbs. There are many, countless of herbs. Yes children, you can list out, just list off only few, okay? Only few you list out. I will be asking you the question in the online. Look, I have said in the last video also, I have said you have to search some more trees name and shrubs name, and this one also has been included. Yeah, what are these? What is this? You have to search some names of herbs, okay? Yeah, next we'll go. Yeah, what is this children? There's a plant, right? What it is done, it's been rounded to the, yeah, stick, right? Yeah, what are these called? These are climbers. Yeah, some plants have weak stem. They cannot stand their own. They need some support. Such plants are called climbers. Yeah, look how weak it is. It cannot stand also on its own. So only it's taking the support of a, what is this, stick. Yeah, it's taking the support of the stick, and it has been rotated, right? To get the support, it has been rotated around the stick. Yeah, it wants and supports. For that sake only it has been rotated around the stick, because they are very weak. They cannot stand also. Yeah, for that sake they need a support, right? So for the help, they keep the stick to climb. Okay, look here. The best example is money plant. You are having a money plant in your house. Yeah, if you are having, just look at it. They might have been tied on the top. Yeah, they might have been kept a stick. Look here also. They have kept an wooden piece. Yeah, to the support. They have tied. Look here, they have tied the thread to the plant and the wooden piece. Yeah, so that it will grow on top itself. Look, the ends are here. Yeah, children, can you see how they have been tied? Yeah. Even in your home also you can see, you can ask your parents. If it is there in your home, the money plant is there in your home, you can ask them. They will explain you, okay, why they will tie. Because it doesn't have any strength to stand. Yeah, it needs support to stand. For that sake only they will tie it to the some stick or an wooden piece or a wall. Okay, children? Yeah. Yes, what is this? What is this? You can see a grapes, right? Yeah, grapes are also very weak. They cannot stand on their own. So look how big tree. For a tree, it has been tied. Look here. These all are the wooden pieces for which the grapes have been hanged. Look how they have tied the knot. Yeah, they cannot stand their own. Yeah, for that sake only they need a support to stand. Yeah, for that sake they have kept an wooden stick like a tree. Yeah, for that support they have kept a grapes plant. Yeah, look here, the grape plant has been hanged to the sticks. Can you see? Yeah, look, the grapes color. What is the grape? You can identify the grapes color. It's becoming a black grape, right? Yeah, children. Next. Now, what you have to do is, your work is to draw the grapes. You know to draw the grapes, children? Yeah, draw it and color also. You have to color the grapes. In which color the grapes will be there? Grapes are of green and black, right? There are black grapes also and green grapes also. Yeah, in this two color, whichever color you want, you can draw. Yeah, Yes. So, next. What is this? Which fruit is this? Yeah, it's an watermelon, right? Yeah. Let's see in the test book in page number 54. Some plants are very tender and long. They are weak plants, okay? They are very tender, soft, and long they will grow. Yeah, they are weak plants, okay, children? These plants are weak, cannot stand erect, but grows on the ground. Such plants are known as creepers. Yes. What is this plant called? It's called an creeper. Creeper. Okay, children? What it is? It's an creeper. Yeah. What are creepers means? They are tender and long. They will grow long, but they are weak plants. Yeah. Even they cannot stand also with the support. So what they do? They grow just on the ground itself. It grows on the ground itself. Yeah, what are these are called? These are called creepers. Okay? Why they are called creepers? They cannot stand also with the support. Yeah? They are very tender and long. They will grow long, but it cannot stand erect. Okay? For that sake, they are called creepers. Here is the example. Look how big the watermelon is. But the plant is so weak. Yeah, children? It's very weak, right? But the plant is given, the fruit is very big. It's giving us a very big fruit, right? Have you seen the watermelon? Yeah, they are very big, right? The fruit is of red color. Yes or no, children? Have you eaten the watermelon? Yeah, in watermelon there will be a seeds, right? Yeah. Next, which plant is this? Yeah, you can see here orange color fruit, right? What is it? It's an pumpkin. In your textbook also you can see. Yeah, it's an pumpkin. Look at the plant. Look how big leaves it is having, right? The pumpkin is having very big leaf. And also the pumpkin fruit also is big, right? Yeah. But the plant cannot stand only. Yes, because of the heaviness of the fruit, it also cannot stand and it is very weak also. But it gives us big fruit and vegetables. Yeah, and also muskmelon. Muskmelon is also a creeper only, children. The plant is also weak and but they grow very long and they cannot stand erect. Yes. Yes, children. Today's class, I think you all understood. Okay, we studied about herbs and climbers and also creepers. Yeah, these three things we studied today. What are herbs? Herbs are very soft plant and they are very small plant also. They have very soft stem. What are creepers? Yes, creepers. Yeah, they are long but tender. Yes, they are weak plants. Even they cannot stand erect or straight. Yeah. Next, we studied about climbers, right? Climbers need support to stand. They cannot stand with the alone. Yeah, they cannot stand without any help. They can't stand without any support. We need to give the support for the creeper. Yeah, the best example is money plant and grapes plant. Grapevine is also a best example. Yeah, I have shown you. Now, what is your homework means? You have to collect some more herb plants, okay? Herbs. You have to collect all those. And also, you have to draw the grape and color it. Yes? Yes, these are your homework. I'll be checking this in your online classes, science online classes. Yes, I hope you all understood the topic clearly. Meet you in the next video. Bye, children. Happy learning.